Okay, you guys, this is I'm going to be making for egg drop soup, which also called in Chinese, tāng. Now the first thing I have here in a sauce pot over medium-high heat. I'm going to start by pouring 4 cups of chicken broth. Now to make your own chicken broth, a double of this recipe, dissolve 2 Knorr's chicken flavored bouillon cubes in 4 cups of boiling water to stir around with the spoon until you get a nice smelling for the chicken broth. Then I'm also going to put in a half teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm going to get the sesame oil out of the little cup. I'm going to scrape it with the rubber spatula. And you just want to bring it to a boil, making sure to stir it constantly. So as we know, once it becomes to a boil, you see the broth needs to boil it. I just mix it up into a medium bowl with about a 1/4 cup of water with 3 tablespoons of corn starch. Then be able to get this to stir well. I'm going to just add it slowly. The broth is almost waiting for it. The water and the corn starch go into the boiling broth. Again, we need to thicken it. I just slightly beaten 3 large eggs. I'm going to add it right in. And I'm just going to break it over using with a whisk. Alright, I break up the eggs. I'm going to season a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper or ground white pepper. I like to mix with both of those, each up to 4 teaspoons. I'm just going to sprinkle right that to season up. I'm going to keep stirring around using with the ladle. I think the soup is just ready to it. Let me just turn it off. Right, I'm just going to ladle into the soup bowl. I like to serve it on a big size. I'm going to garnish that I just sliced 2 scallions. And if you'd like to have that I cube with a medium firm tofu, that I just cut it into little cubes. And here you go. Here is the finished egg drop soup. This can be smelled just like for a Chinese restaurant. If you're interested for more recipes, just let me know in the comments below. Before you go to write something, share my videos, and you're gonna give it a big thumbs up for A1. Hope you guys enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.